Welcome to my channel MPS Sawan. Assalamu alaikum. Good evening. Namaste. Sasaryakal. How are you everyone? Today we're gonna test Indian mango, Indian Alfonso mango, Indian Kesar mango and Indian Badami mango. And also we try Dominican mango and Brazilian mango and also Pakistani Chonsa mango. End of this video we're gonna explain to you which one the sweet one and which one the best one. तो दोस्तों आज हम इंडिया के जो बेस्ट मैंगो है, जो इंडियन पॉपुलर मैंगो हैं, अल्फांसो, कैसर, बादामी, उनकी ट्राई करते हैं और देखते हैं कि उनका क्या टेस्ट है। और उसके साथ साथ पाकिस्तानी एक मैंगो है चौंसा, और डोमिनिकन मैंगो है और ब्राज़ीलियन मैंगो है। आज ये ट्राई करते हैं इस वीडियो में। और इसके बाद जो वीडियो होगी वो स्लो में पाकिस्तानी मैंगो और इंडियन मैंगो की जो वीडियो होगी वो आपको दिखाई जाएगी। थैंक यू फ्रेंड। नाउ वी गोना ट्राई मैंगो। दिस इज इंडियन कैसर मैंगो, दिस इज इंडियन बादामी मैंगो, दिस इज इंडियन अल्फांसो मैंगो, and this is Pakistani Chonsa mango, and this is mangoes Dominican Republic, and these mango from Brazil. So today we're gonna check one by one. Now we're gonna try for Indian Kesar mango. They say Indian best mango, Kesar mango. Nice juicy, you can see, very nice juicy one. Now I'm gonna try. Is really sweet. Also flavor, you can say taste, flavor is nice. Now we go try Indian Badami mango. This is Indian Badami mango. So friend, this is not, we say very sweet, but its flavor, smell is very nice. I feel very nice taste in my mouth. So this is the, I say this is very good mango, Indian Badami mango. I love its flavor because its flavor is very strong. Indian Badami mango flavor is very strong and also sweet. Now we're gonna try for Indian Alfonso mango. This is Indian Alfonso mango. Wow. So now I'm gonna try Indian Alfonso mango. Yeah, very nice. Good sweetie one. Best Indian mango, Alfonso mango. So now we're gonna try the Dominican Republic of Dominican, the mango from. Good juicy one. Now, it's not very sweet. Also, flavor is not very strong. Just normal mango, we say. Because mostly we Asian people, we like sweet mango. But Republic Dominican mango is good, but it's not very sweet. And also flavor is not very strong. So now, friend, I'm gonna try for Brazilian mango. This is Brazilian mango. Brazilian mango basically big. दोस्तों जो ब्राज़ील के मैंगो होते हैं वो थोड़े बिग होते हैं और वो ज़रा हार्ड होते हैं. तो दोस्तों ये दिस आर द ब्राज़ीलियन वन. आई गोना ट्राई. Also, Brazilian is not very sweet. It's flavor, taste coming, raw mango flavor coming, but they are not very sweet. Mostly the European people, they like less sweet mango, but our Asian people, they like Asian, Arabic people, African people, they like more sweet mango. Now, finally, I'm gonna check for Pakistani mango. Is Chonsa, Pakistani sweet mango Chonsa. Friend, now I'm gonna try for Chonsa mango, Pakistani Chonsa mango. This is really sweet mango, Pakistani Chonsa mango. So now I'm gonna explain to you for about in the last video I try Pakistani mango is a Langda, Chonsa, Sindri. I try this one. And today I try three type of varieties about Indian mango, Indian Kesar mango, Indian Alfonso mango, Indian Badami mango, and also Dominican mango, one Brazilian mango. The last one is the Chonsa mango for Pakistani. So now I'm gonna give you which one, what quality. Okay. Now people, the big mango eater come. This is my daughter. You like mango? Mango. Look how she eating mango. Sweet mango. She like always mango. She's mango eater. Okay, you want Pakistani mango Chonsa. Okay. How she eating mango? Now we go try for Indian Kesar mango. Lo beta, Indian mango khayegi. Yeah. Hey. You like Indian mango? Yeah. She like Indian mango. Yeah, Indian Kesar mango. My daughter like it. And also Indian Badami mango. You don't like Badami? Oh, because Badami mango is flavor very fast, hard. That's why she don't like it. Ay Allah. अच्छा चल आजा. Okay. hele Indian Alfonso mango तेनु check कराने हैं. Yes. This is Indian Alfonso mango. Oh. Sweet hai. Very sweet. So, friends, now I am telling you the result about mango tasting. You can see, she is my daughter. Doesn't matter you are belong to the India, belong to the Pakistan. First number, if you say sweetest mango, Pakistani mango Chonsa. On the moment in England, now the Chonsa mango is plenty over there. If anybody got a doubt, you can check it. Sweetest mango is number one is Chonsa. And now I am telling you the world class mango, Indian Kesar mango, Indian Alfonso mango, Indian Badami mango, Pakistani Sindri mango, and Pakistani Langda mango, Pakistani Anwar Ritol mango. These all same level. Little bit flavor change, but one thing I realize in a Badami mango, Indian Badami mango, is very strong flavor. So please, I am requesting to people, for Indian people, you can try for Pakistani mango, and Pakistani people, you can try for Indian mango. They are the very best. I am mango eater. I don't mind. I already eat 3 boxes of Kesar and 2 boxes for Alfonso. I love it. आई लुकिंग अ मैंगो. सो थैंक यू दोस्तों. ये आपको मैंने बताया दुनिया का सबसे जो मीठा आम है वो है पाकिस्तानी चौंसा. और उसके बाद जो दुनिया के टॉप क्लास मैंगो हैं वो 3 इंडियन मैंगो है और 3 पाकिस्तानी मैंगो है. इंडियन मैंगो में जो है वो उनका कैसर मैंगो है, बादामी मैंगो है और अल्फांसो मैंगो है. पाकिस्तान में सिंगड़ी मैंगो है और लंगड़ा है और अनवरिटोल. ये पाकिस्तानी अच्छे मैंगो. लेकिन जो चौंसा मैंगो है पाकिस्तानी और दुनिया का सबसे स्वीटेस्ट मैंगो है. थैंक यू टू वाचिंग माय वीडियो. इफ यू वांट टू सी मोर वीडियो अबाउट इंग्लैंड, Pakistan and Sri Lanka, subscribe my channel. Thank you.